Fixed Expressions Quiz 3. Read a sentence and choose the correct fixed expression from the options highlighted in bold text. Number 1. We're playing golf blank, even if it rains. A. No matter if. B. No matter what. C. No matter that. Answer is letter B. We're playing golf no matter what, even if it rains. Number 2. I'm quitting my job. I'm blank, being treated like a slave. A. Fed up with. B. Full up with. C. Put up with. Answer is letter A. I'm quitting my job. I'm fed up with being treated like a slave. Number 3. I'm not 100% sure, but blank shall be back on Monday. A. As long as I know. B. As much as I know. C. As far as I know. Answer is letter C. I'm not 100% sure, but as far as I know, she'll be back on Monday. Number 4. Your parents can stay with us. Blank, it's fine by me. A. If you must. B. If you mind. C. If you like. Answer is letter C. Your parents can stay with us. If you like, it's fine by me. Number 5. They just called my name and blank too. I've been waiting for ages. A. It's about time. B. It's on time. C. It's enough time. Answer is letter A. They just called my name and it's about time too. I've been waiting for ages. Number 6. If you go out blank, you lock up. There's lots of thieves around. A. For sure. B. Make sure. C. Really sure. Answer is letter B. If you go out, make sure you lock up. There's lots of thieves around. Number 7. The performance was already blank when we got there, so we missed the first part. A. On the way. B. Underway. C. In the way. Answer is letter B. The performance was already underway when we got there, so we missed the first part. Number 8. There was this massive storm raging outside and blank, the lights went off. A. All of a sudden. B. All in a sudden. C. All at a sudden. Answer is letter A. There was this massive storm raging outside and all of a sudden the lights went out. Number 9. Grandma asked us why we wear our baseball caps blank. A. Inside out. B. Upside down. C. The wrong way round. Answer is letter C. Grandma asked us why we wear our baseball caps the wrong way round. And number 10, last item. You're doing a great job blank and you'll be in line for a promotion. A. Keep it in. B. Keep it on. C. Keep it out. Answer is letter C. You're doing a great job. Keep it up and you'll be in line for a promotion. This video ends here about Fixed Expressions Quiz 3.